Hello and welcome to NYSE Investment. This analysis is for the Charles Schwab on the New York Stock Exchange as of 9th of July 2026 with a share price of $101. The full report is on NYSE.ca. Charles Schwab is a high-quality, re-accelerating asset gatherer at a reasonable 20 times earnings. The medium-term signal is a strong buy. But the stock has run 11% into overbought territory at its 52-week high, with Q2 earnings inside 2 weeks. So the near-term entry is a hold. Wait for a pullback. Schwab is the largest U.S. retail brokerage and a major custodian, holding trillions in client assets. It makes money mainly on net interest income from client cash, plus asset management fees and trading. Its edge is scale, a sticky asset base, and strong operating leverage. Earnings are re-accelerating as client cash reprices higher and the rate and market environment turns favorable. On valuation, it's reasonable, about 20 times earnings, 18 times forward, with a price-earnings to growth ratio under a half. For a business re-accelerating on the rate and market tailwind, roughly 20% below the analyst median. That combination of a fair to attractive price, a strong driver, and a financials tailwind amplifies the medium horizon signal to a strong buy. Here's the near-term caveat. The stock has run 11% in a fortnight into overbought territory, a daily relative strength reading around 72, right at its 52-week high, and Q2 earnings land in under 2 weeks. Chasing an overbought name at its highs ahead of a binary print is exactly what the framework counsels against short-term. So it's a hold. Wait for a pullback toward the 94s or a clean post-earnings hold. Now the other side of the ledger. A sharp rate cut cycle compresses net interest income. A market drawdown shrinks client assets. An earnings miss into an overbought extended stock. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 35% above today, the base case, the most likely, about 16%, and the bear case a fall of about 16%. So you are risking about 16 to make 35. So, our call on the Charles Schwab on the New York Stock Exchange, hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by NYSE Investment at NYSE.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.